Daddy's a busy beaver. Before Daddy looked like a dinosaur. He was a little strange, but pretty funny. These days, he's really a busy beaver. He's a regular Mr. Do-It-Yourself. Mommy thinks he's very handy. He makes all sorts of gadgets. In the summer, Daddy builds tree houses for my brother and me. In the winter, he makes us igloos. What we want to do is play with him, but it's hopeless because he's always too busy. In the evening, Daddy reads piles of home repair magazines. That's because he's planning some big construction projects. First, he draws plans. Then, he builds a model. But he has trouble with the superglue. He's better at electricity. He can straighten his hair out in a flash. Sometimes, Daddy misses a nail and hits his finger. He gets mad and glares at us. But he still manages to fix the roof of our house. Now it doesn't rain in our bedroom. To thank Daddy, we help him weed the garden. But we're not supposed to talk to him. He's too busy. So then he goes and hides in his workshop, where he just works even harder. That's when we decide to help him. Poor Daddy, that upsets him even more. My brother and I like dinosaurs and beavers, but we like it best when Daddy is busy with us. The end.